Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate return on investment or ROI. Now, return on investment is a way to measure how much money you've made or lost compared to what you originally put in. It's a good way to test if an investment or a business has been successful or not. Now, the formula, which I have put here, is return on investment is equal to your net return divided by your cost of investment. Now this can be further broken down because your net return will be equal to your current value or your final value of your investment minus your cost of investment. So I made a little template / calculator here which can calculate it in Excel very quickly. So let's just start with one example here. We had a original cost of investment of $400. This cost of investment should not only include our original cost or what we paid for it, but also any costs we incurred along the way. So say the original cost was only $300, but we also had additional costs of $100. Our cost of investment is $400, and let's say our current or final value, what the investment is worth right now, is $800. This means we can calculate our return on investment using this formula by going equals, bracket. Now we want our net return, which is our current value less our cost of investment. So that's our 800, which is our current value less cost of investment of 400, divided by our cost of investment of 400. And that gives us 100%. Now your return on investment should always be a percentage. So if we were using a calculator and we did this, we would have 800 minus 400 divided by 400. And to make that into a percentage, we times that by 100 to give us 100%. Now if you make your own template like this in Excel, you can calculate this very quickly, as now you can just drag it down and we have all of our results right here. And if you do make your own little calculator like this, once you have that formula in there, you can change these values around and it will automatically update. Let's say our cost of investment incurred another $200, so now it's $600. We can see that our new return on investment is 33%. But let's say our new current value has gone up to 2,000. Our new return on investment will go to 233%. Anyway, I hope that simplifies what return on investment is and how to calculate it easily in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.